to say thank you for reaching out to us at Secret City. You had put a request in about a particular vehicle. We're going to go ahead and do a walk around of that vehicle. I'm one of the product specialists here, so let's go ahead and take a look. Hey, Mr. Donald, here we are taking a look at the 14 2500. We have just recently not taken this vehicle in, not too long, so we don't even have it up at the lot quite yet. It is a good truck. Has your bed liner. It is a 4x4, but they have taken off all of the decals. Of course, you have your tow hitch and your tow. This be a good work truck or a travel truck if you need one. So definitely come on out. Let's see what we got. It has the cloth interior, as you can tell. And it's more like a tradesman model. So if you have any questions, feel free to come in or give me a call. You now have my information and my number. Love to talk to you some more about it. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to hear from you soon. God bless.